Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore cost segregation planning with Horizon, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering important documentation related to the property. Ensure you have the purchase agreement, cost reports, and any previous cost segregation studies. Review the current tax legislation and guidelines affecting cost segregation planning. Familiarize yourself with the IRS regulations concerning depreciation and asset classification. Identify the type of property you are working with, whether it is residential, commercial, or industrial. Schedule a consultation with a Horizon expert to discuss your specific needs and objectives. Provide the Horizon team with all relevant documentation for an initial assessment. Collaborate with the Horizon team to define the scope of work required for the cost segregation analysis. Conduct a site visit with the Horizon professionals to assess the property firsthand. Document any unique features or improvements that could affect depreciation schedules. Gather data related to construction costs, materials, and labor to support the analysis. Utilize Horizon's specialized software to categorize assets efficiently. Generate a detailed report outlining the findings of the cost segregation analysis. Review the report carefully with the Horizon team, discussing potential tax benefits. Implement recommendations from the report to optimize depreciation strategies. File any necessary tax forms based on the updated cost segregation findings. Monitor the results and adjust strategies as needed in future tax years. Maintain an ongoing relationship with Horizon for any updates or future projects. Keep abreast of changes in tax laws that might affect your cost segregation planning. Document all processes for future reference and compliance purposes. Regularly review your property's performance and impact on your overall tax situation. Reach out to Horizon for periodic follow-ups or additional services when needed. Ensure all parties involved are informed about the implemented strategies and their impacts. Continuously educate yourself on cost segregation trends and best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.